What?
He was looking at the bird.
Minwoo is look.
Let's look out.
Minwoo, are you looking at the bird or you checking the door? For real. You're looking behind you,
Minwoo's
huh?
looking for his wildcat friend.
Ah, he's checking the door. Oh, look. He's
He's
checking me, ah. If I'm at the
For
door.
His wildcat friend.
Your wildcat friend. Minwoo, tama na, Jacob. Let's go. Because Minwoo is tired. See? No, don't touch him. He's not gonna go down. It's too high for him. Don't jump, don't jump.
This is like a cliff for cats.
Clifford cat?
Cliff for cats.
Cliff for cats? No.
Yeah, it's like a cliff.
No, don't make, it's not his cliff. It's too high. Oh my, he's here again. Oh my god. Minwoo, no. No, Minwoo, I'm scared.
Scratch Tita.
Don't scratch Tita. Minwoo, please. That's why, Jacob, let's go now. Because he's really aiming for the door.
And Minwoo's drinking. Now eating.
No eating. Maybe he wants the frisky today.
Yeah.
Give me. Give me the frisky. Oh no, he's there. It's okay, it's okay. Give me. Give me now.
Ooh, Benji.
Give me now the frisky nako. Come on, give me one. Just give me. He's not gonna get your hand. Give me. Oh, he likes it. Come on, give me. Ay, okay, hold on. Wait. This is the one that Minwoo wants, the frisky. Okay, hold on.